In this video, I will show you how to install the latest Audacity in macOS Big Sur. By latest I mean the version available when you are watching this video. Most of the time different versions have the same setup process. I always install the latest version on Mac. So I will let you know in the pinned comment and description if this process becomes outdated. To download Audacity, go to audacityteam.org. Go to Download, and then Mac. The setup file will start downloading automatically. If for some reason download not started, follow the direct download link. For me, automatic download has been started and asking for where to save. I will save on my desktop. It has started downloading, and I can see the download progress here. Wait till the download is complete. It is a 40 megabyte file, so won't take too long. After download is complete, go to the downloaded location. I can see the downloaded DMG here and double-click to start the setup process. It will start shortly. You will see this pop-up window, and you have to drag Audacity to the Applications folder. Just drag Audacity and drop to Applications. I am getting a confirmation message for replacement as I had an older version already installed. If you are installing for the first time, you won't see this message. I will click Replace. Audacity is installed, and you can start using it. To open Audacity, go to Launchpad. Here search for Audacity. Here it is. Click on Audacity, and it will start opening. For the first time, it will ask if you are sure to use this application. Audacity is outside the App Store, hence this verification message. Click Open and Audacity will start opening. Audacity is now ready to use. You can start recording or start editing your audio files. Another thing I would like to mention. If for some reason you need to install an older version of Audacity, you can also do that. Go to the Downloads page. Scroll a bit, and you will see a link to the DMG file. Click on that, and you will be taken to this page. First, you will see the latest version. Just below that, you will see the Older Versions tab. Click on that. Here you will get older versions of Audacity like version 3.0.0 or 2.4.2, etc. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.